How to fix Messenger missing chat history sync now option not showing problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you the quick way to fix Messenger missing chat history sync now option not available problem. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, hop into Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into the particular account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap Privacy and Safety, which is under Preferences. Now select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap Message Storage. Scroll down and tap on Delete and Turn off Secure Storage and tap Continue button. Now come back to the chat section of Messenger, and once you do that, you need to refresh the page for a while, and within a minute your problem will be fixed. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.